yung garage. Shortly after.
O ito naman, kasi syempre, bukod dito sa ating positive thinking, alam naman namin na meron kang mga skills na medyo angat sa iba.
Yes. Sample.
Siguro, siguro to demonstrate, isa sa mga una ko natutunan na skill is magpa-bend ng mga kutsara, tinidor.
Ay, thank you.
Ayun, nung una ko natutunan to, pinakamahirap yung unang-unang bend ko.
Yes, of course.
Pero nung after na nagawa ko siya isang beses, dire-diretso na. As you can see, diba may matigas yung fork. It's a solid fork, yeah?
Yes.
Yep. But if I just, siguro, if I just rub it like that, it starts to bend.
Ano ba?
Wow.
Diba? You can try it at home. Pero siguro mas maganda yung pag-i-influence tayo ng thoughts.
Oo.
Mas maganda yan. Jolina?
Ay, ako po talaga?
Gusto ko lang muna malaman.
Nakita niya sa aura mo.
Gusto ko lang muna malaman kung paano ka mag-isip. When I snap my finger na, pag-snap ko ng finger ko, I need you to name any flower. Wag lang rose because that's obvious.
Okay.
The first one that pops into mind, you say it now?
Santan.
Okay. Alam ko na ngayon kung paano ka mag-isip, believe it or not. I'm just gonna write something for you.
Ako talaga.
Okay. Jolina, imagine you're reaching inside your pocket.
Okay.
And you're taking out any coin. Okay? Lagay mo siya rito.
Yung coin.
Yes. Anong coin yan?
Sasabihin ko? 10 pesos.
With your other pocket, another coin, lagay mo ulit dito. What coin is that?
Piso.
Isa na lang sa back pocket mo.
Ay, wala akong backpack.
Kunyari.
Sagot.
Alright, what is that?
10 pesos ulit.
No. I mean, we have 10 peso coin already.
Another 5.
Okay. So we have 5, 1, tsaka 10. Okay? No messing around, ha? Now, with your left hand, kuha ka lang ng isa dyan. Okay, what is that?
Sasabihin ka? 10 pesos.
Okay. And with your other hand, another coin.
Di ba tinapon na
Ay, no. Clearing the table, sorry. What's that?
Piso.
Okay, throw them away. Okay, so Jolina, there's 1 coin left on the table. Okay? Anong coin yan?
5.
Okay. Nung nilagay mo ba siya, was it head up or tail up?
Head.
Head up. Okay. So it was the 5 peso coin and it's head side up.
Yes.
Yeah? There was no messing around. That was her free choice. Yeah?
Huli mo na nga pinili yun.
Tingnan mo yung sinulat ko for you, Jolina.
Ay! Ano ba yun?
5 peso.
Can you read it? 5 peso heads.
Wow!